West Bengal elections, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee appears to have returned to the familiar campaign of tactic that one describes instigation and fear-mongering. Now, in a striking outburst, Mamata Banerjee claims that SIR will be used to strip people of their rights and alleges that the centre may rely on police pressure to intimidate mothers and sisters. She goes on to say that there is kitchen tools at home that can be also used, adding that the girls would be leading the protest from the front.
আসামে কেন হবে না এসআইআর? কেন আসামে হবে না? বিজেপির রাজ্য বলে আর এসআইআর এর নাম করে মা বোনদের অধিকার কাড়বে। তারপরে নির্বাচনে দিল্লির পুলিশ নিয়ে এসে মা বোনদের ভয় দেখাবে। কি মা বোনেরা, নাম কাটলে বাড়িতে সব জিনিসপত্র আছে তো, যেগুলো দিয়ে রান্না করেন আছে তো, প্রাণে শক্তি আছে, নাম কাটলে ধরবেন তো, ছেড়ে দেবেন না তো? মেয়েরা সামনে লড়াই করবে আর ছেলেরা পেছনে থাকবে। আমি দেখতে চাই মা বোনদের শক্তি বড় না বিজেপির শক্তি বড়।
Now, as far as reactions that are now coming in, it just doesn't stop at the instigation, as Mamata Banerjee also has ramped up the fear narrative while taking a fresh dig at the Home Minister Amit Shah. She tells people to stay away from the border areas because the BSF is stationed there, and then adds that the Home Minister's eyes are intimidating, comparing them one to Duryodhan and the other to Dushasan.
শুধু আমার একটাই অনুরোধ, বর্ডার এরিয়ায় যেখানে বিএসএফ আছে ওদের ধারে কাছে যাবেন না। এখানে একজন স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রী আছেন, তিনি করতে পারেন না এমন কোনো কাজ নেই। তার দুর্যোগ দেখলেই মনে হয় ভয়ঙ্কর। দুর্যোগের বার্তা, দুরভিসন্ধি, এক চোখে তার দুর্যোধন আর এক চোখে তার দুঃশাসন। তিনি বলে দেয় এদের সব বাংলাদেশি বলে বাদ দিয়ে দাও, এদের রোহিঙ্গা বলে বাদ দিয়ে দাও।
Well, let's get Shivam on board. Shivam, good morning. Mamata Banerjee is alleging that the SIR is being used as a political weapon ahead of the 2026 assembly elections. She says that even if a single eligible voter's name is struck off, she is ready to sit on a dharna.
Good morning, Amita. And yes, this has been the line the TMC has taken, but yesterday, especially speaking at the public address at Krishna Nagar, this was happening on the eve when it was the last day of the SIR. It was the last day of the enumeration form to be submitted. So these comments coming in, and especially the kind of appeal that she made to the female voters, she basically targeted BJP, saying that if BJP will remove the names of mothers and sisters from the SIR, they have the utensils. He basically talked to the women voters present at that particular public address, saying that you have your utensils, you have your tools that you use in the kitchen, right? Be ready for that. So this is a clear case that a person sitting on such a higher post going too far when it comes to, peddling their personal political agenda when it comes to the SIR as a process. When you talked about BSF, Mamata Banerjee time and again has targeted BSF. 3 days back also she said that let the women come out and protest against the atrocities of the BSF. Through BSF also she basically tried to target, as you rightly mentioned, the Home Minister. She clearly mentioned the eyes of Home Minister, one is of Dushasan, the other was of Duryodhan, and he is basically trying to remove voters and to deport them to Bangladesh. So these are the comments that are coming in.
So she's been calling upon women to fight back with kitchen tools if their name is struck off the voter list, while calling on the Union Home Minister Amit Shah as dangerous. Mamata Banerjee has been warning that she would sit on a dharna even if a single eligible voter's name was struck off from the list during the ongoing SIR of the electoral rolls. Shivam, appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast.